Hello and welcome. I am so glad you've chosen to be here in this exact moment with me. Life often feels like a race, a constant pull toward what happened yesterday or what might happen tomorrow. But right now, there is nowhere else you need to be and nothing else you need to do. You are safe. You are present. Find a comfortable position, either sitting upright with your feet flat on the floor or lying down. Gently allow your eyes to close or simply soften your gaze toward the floor. Let's start with the breath. Don't try to change it yet, just notice it. Feel the cool air enter your nostrils and the warm air leave your body. Now, let's take 3 deep cleansing breaths together. Inhale deeply through the nose, filling your belly, your ribs, and your chest. And exhale with a loud sigh through the mouth. Let go of the day. Now we'll move into box breathing to steady the nervous system. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold for 4. Exhale slowly for 4. And hold the empty space for 4. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold for 4. Exhale slowly for 4. And hold the empty space for 4. Inhale for a count of 4. Hold for 4. Exhale slowly for 4. And hold the empty space for 4. Feel your heart rate slow down. Feel your shoulders drop away from your ears. You are anchoring yourself to the earth with every breath. We will now scan the body to release any physical tension. Bring your awareness to your feet. Feel the weight of your heels pressing into the ground. Visualize roots growing from the soles of your feet deep into the earth, steadying you. Move that awareness up to your calves, your knees, your thighs. If you feel tightness, breathe into it and let it soften. Move to your hips and your lower back. Feel the support of the chair or the floor beneath you. You are held, you are supported. Scan your stomach, your chest, and your hands. Relax your fingers. Move up to your neck and finally your jaw. Unclench your teeth. Let your tongue fall away from the roof of your mouth. Your entire body is now heavy, relaxed, and perfectly still. Imagine you are sitting on the bank of a slow-moving river. The sun is warm on your skin, and the sound of the water is rhythmic and peaceful. As you sit here, thoughts will inevitably enter your mind. That is okay. Imagine each thought is a leaf falling from a tree and landing on the surface of the water. Perhaps it's a thought about work, a chore, or a memory. See the leaf, acknowledge it, and then watch it float peacefully downstream. You are not the river. You are not the leaves. You are the observer sitting safely on the bank. If your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the sound of the water and the feeling of your breath. There is no right way to feel. There is only this moment, this breath, this peace. Take the next few moments to relax and ground yourself in this peace. Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to the room. Wiggle your fingers and your toes. Feel the air against your skin. Carry this sense of grounding with you as you move through the rest of your day. Remember that this stillness is always available to you. It's only one breath away. Thank you so much for joining me today and for prioritizing your mental well-being. If this practice helped you find a moment of peace, please consider subscribing to join our community. It truly helps the channel grow. When you are ready, gently open your eyes. Be kind to yourself today. Namaste.